Previous lecture we have learned about the motion diagram and motion curve. So in today's lecture we'll look at one problem. Okay, so this problem will give you idea about all AST, BT and AT curve. Okay, so we'll read first the problem. The figure given below shows the AT diagram of motion of a particle. Draw VT and ST curve of motion of the particle and indicate important values. Okay, so this kind of a question they can ask in exam. So whatever the question is like that, either they'll give you the AT diagram, then from AT diagram you have to draw VT and ST, or they'll give you ST diagram and from ST curve you have to draw VT and AT. Okay, so remember one thing, if we'll consider area under the curve, so AT, if we have a AT curve, so area under AT curves gives you the value about VT. Area under VT curve gives you the value about XT or ST, one and the same. Okay, and if we'll consider the slope wise, so slope of XT gives you the value of VT, slope of VT gives you the value about AT. Okay, so in this diagram they have mentioned AT diagram. Okay, so from AT diagram, what is the slope of AT diagram gives us value of jerk. So we are not interested in that, right? We are interested in VT and ST curve. So area under AT gives me the value of velocity, and right, so we are interested in VT. So we have to consider the area under AT curve. Okay. So the basic thing for this kind of a problem is, first draw the given diagram, take it projection for the time. Okay, and try to draw a diagram projection wise. Okay, so it will be easy to draw curves basically. Okay, so this is your given diagram. AT 0 time interval is given 0, 6, 10, 34 and 40. Value of on acceleration point is 1 and 1.5. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll write down alphabets, we'll label the values, right? Because what we have to find out VT, right? So area under VT gives you the area under AT gives you the value of VT. So for that case, I label the shapes. So it will be easy for me to calculate the area. So I'll just A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay, so normal label it. Now area under AT gives me the value of VT. Okay, but now how to change this lines? Is there any sequence or anything behind this changing the curves? Yes. So if we'll consider types of curves, so if it is a straight line, so we can say it is 0-degree curve, like y is equal to c. Okay, so if this kind of things they have mentioned in AT diagram or VT or XT, whatever, so this thing 0-degree curve you have to change into first degree curve. Okay, that is y is equal to ax plus b. If first degree curve is given, then you have to change it into second degree curve, that is increasing slope curve. So we can say it is a concave. If it is increasing, then concave, increasing, concave, decreasing line, convex. Got it? So 0-degree, first degree, second degree. If it is increasing, then it is concave. If it is decreasing, then it is convex. Okay, and if the third degree, if we have to convert this second degree into third degree, what we have to do is the same sorry, the same concave, only thing is we are increasing its slope. Okay, depth, we are increasing the slope, so second degree convert into third degree. Okay, so only remember, if it is increasing one, we have to draw concave curve. If it is a decreasing one, we have to draw convex curve. Simple straight line. Here it is a straight line, that is it is 0-degree curve. So 0-degree curve will change into first degree curve. Okay, so now how we have to change it? What is the exact value? So as we know, area under AT curve gives me the value of VT. Okay, so I'll consider the shape wise first. So time interval is 0 to 6. The value between 0 to 6, this thing area under this shape gives me the value of this Vt. Okay, so how? So for Vt curve, first we'll write down the formula, that is change in velocity is nothing but area under At curve. So first time interval I'll consider t is equal to 0 to 6 seconds. So that is nothing but what is change in velocity? 6 seconds minus 0 second. V6 minus V0 is equal to area of ABCO. Okay. So what is area of this thing? Base height. Base is 6, height is 1. So 6 into 1. What is V0? If we assume it is starting from the rest, so V0 is 0. Okay. So we are interested in V6. So value of V6 is 6 meter per second. So value of V6 is 6 meter per second. Correct? So we got this value 6. Now it is a 0 degree converted into first degree and join the lines. That's it. Okay. Now the next one. So next is this DEFC. Now this shape. Now area under this shape gives me the value of next thing V10. So next is I'll consider T 6 to T, this 10. So time 6 to 10 seconds. So again here nothing but change in velocities. V10 minus V6. V10 minus V6 is equal to area under this shape. So what is this shape? This is nothing but 10 minus 6 gives me this particular base. Correct? So this is nothing but 10 minus 6 into height is highest point 1.5. So height is 1.5. Value of V6 we already found out. So this 6 we have to write down over here. So V10 is nothing but 12 meter per second. So V10 is 12 meter per second. So we have written 12 meter per second over here. Now again it is a straight line. Okay, that is 0 degree converted into first degree. Okay, 0 degree I have to join these two lines by again inclined line. Okay, so now next part is time is equal to now we got V0, V6, V10. Now we are interested in V34. So time 10 to 34 second. Here